Looking for an easy, beautiful, textured one-row repeat crochet stitch? If you are, the Sedge Stitch and Crochet might just be the one you're looking for. It's super easy to complete, it looks the same on both sides, and if you're ready to learn, let's grab a hook and some yarn and we'll get crocheting. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use a size J 6.0mm crochet hook as well as some size 4 medium weight yarn in this teal color. This crochet tutorial is written using US crochet terms. For the Sedge stitch, you need to begin by chaining a multiple of 3. Any multiple of 3 will do. I have chained 9. We're going to start row 1 by working into the second chain from the crochet hook, and into that second chain we're going to work a half double crochet. Now before I insert my hook, I just want to point out that I do work this a little bit differently. I put 2 of the 3 parts of the chain on my hook when I insert it, so I'm going to insert it down here when I'm ready. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, so I'm putting 2 parts of that chain on top and 1 down on the bottom. I'm going to yarn over, pull through. Now there's 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now I'll show you at the end why I'm working into my chain this way. There is a reason I'm doing this. So I've placed a half double crochet. Into that same chain, I'm going to work a double crochet as well. So I've put a half double crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. Now I'm going to skip 2 chains, so skip and skip. Into the third, I'm going to place a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet, all in the same chain space. And I'm going to repeat, so skip, and into the third chain, I place a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet, all in the same chain. I'm going to do this until I have 1 chain remaining for my row, and into that final chain, I'm going to work a regular single crochet stitch. And that completes row 1 of the Sedge stitch. For row 2, I'm going to begin by chaining 1 and turning my work. Into that very first stitch, I'm going to work a half double crochet and a double crochet. Now I'm going to skip 2 stitches, so skip, and into the third, I'm going to place a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet, all in that same space. So what we're doing is we're skipping over the double crochet and the half double crochet from the previous row and down into the single crochet. That's where we work our single crochet, our half double crochet, and our double crochet for this row. Now you're going to do that until you have 2 stitches remaining for your row. We're going to skip over 1, and into the last stitch of the row, we're going to work a regular single crochet stitch. And that completes row 2 of the Sedge stitch. For the remaining rows of this stitch, you're going to just repeat row 2, and you'll just keep repeating that for the remainder of your project. I just want to point out that I don't do any special finishing rows for this stitch. The reason why I worked into the chain is the way I did is notice how it gives kind of a slightly scalloped edge to the bottom, which matches the slightly scalloped edge to the top. And that's how to Sedge stitch and crochet. If you guys need more detailed crochet tutorials, you could check out my blog hopecornerfarm.com or my YouTube channel Hope Corner Farm Crochet, where I have a lot more crochet tutorials that go a lot slower and in more details. And I hope you have a wonderful day.